Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by gathering essentials, your national ID and proof of residence, because the system verifies both. Next, open Apparel or the National Address portal and log in with your national credentials. Make sure your registered mobile number receives the OTP. Once logged in, choose the service labeled Update National Address. Don't wait on extra steps. Enter basic contact details first. This avoids validation errors later. If prompted, select the address type, residential or commercial, and proceed to the address input screen. Now you complete the core address entry. Type the building number, street name, unit, and postal code exactly as on your document because mismatches trigger rejections. Upload supporting files, tenancy contract or title deed as PDFs or clear images. Check file size limits. Once uploaded, use the interactive map to drop or refine the pin so coordinates match your residence. After verifying, review all fields slowly. Small typos cause delays. Then submit the draft for validation and await system confirmation. Finish by confirming submission. You'll get a reference number, save it because it's your follow-up key. The system may take minutes to validate. Meanwhile, double-check email and SMS notifications. If the update is rejected, the rejection note points to the exact field, correct it, re-upload a clearer document, and resubmit immediately. If verification repeatedly fails, contact the National Address Help Desk or visit the nearest post office with originals for manual verification. This resolves most stubborn cases quickly. Keep calm and follow their instructions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.